Trading is a marathon, not a sprint. This is not a way to get rich quick. It is a way that you can really develop a skill that can pay you for the rest of your life. But you have to stick to your trading plan. I've seen multiple times with traders, and I've actually gone through this myself, when I've deviated from my trading plan and won a trade. And this is dangerous because even though in the short term I was very pleased, it made it tempting to do it again. I would think, hey, it worked once, maybe it'll work again. And then next thing I knew, I'd find myself getting into trades that just didn't make sense and they weren't following my trading plan. This will not work in the long term. So don't fall into this trap. I promise it's not worth it to deviate from your trading plan for any type of short-term reward. Any trades won that don't have a plan occur by chance. You might as well flip a coin to see if you should hit the buy or the sell button if you aren't going to follow a plan. So stay disciplined and follow your plan. Have I stressed that enough? I'm sure I have. Trading is really just a matter of getting the law of averages to work in your favor. The law of averages basically means that if you have a proven strategy that is going to win over 50% of trades, then statistically, as long as you stick to that plan exactly, you will profit. Think of it like any sport. Let's take golf for example. Tiger Woods practiced for years to develop the skill to be able to consistently hit the ball straight and make putts. Tiger Woods wouldn't be successful if he wasn't consistent. If he went out and played a round of 18 holes and had a shot here or there that was good, he would have some short-term satisfaction after those shots, but if he didn't consistently hit the ball well throughout his entire round, he would end up with a terrible score. But by being consistent, Tiger Woods wins. It's the exact same for trading. One must trade consistently following a specific trading plan on each and every single trade. If you trade one approach this time and a different approach at another time, your performance will more than likely be haphazard. We can't stress this enough. You have to follow the law of averages to work in your favor so that across a series of trades, you make an overall profit. If you follow the plan sometimes and abandon it at other times, you throw off the probabilities and you will most likely end up losing overall. With trading discipline comes profitability. Don't let unjustified wins interfere with your ability to maintain discipline. Follow your own trading plan and cement in your mindset that if you follow your trading plan, you will end up more profitable in the long run. All right, so I think we've nailed the importance of a trading plan and not deviating from it, right? So let's learn how to develop a good trading plan.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you join our free Discord channel to get access to all the cheat sheets and a bunch of other cool bonuses. The next video in the course is right here.